What's up, guys? How you doing? Finally, I got myself a great camera. Now this camera is gonna be my professional camera that I shoot videos on later on when I have a good place and space. But for now, it's the Canon M50. Let's unbox this great camera. Now, one of the features of this camera that I really like is the weight of the camera. It's very light. It's very compatible with many lenses. So let's take a look at what we have here. And first off, we have a charging battery, charging dock, and I think this is the camera. Yeah, this is the camera. Put it in this kind of case. So I'll show you. Wow, this is light. It's very nice. It's around 400 grams. This is the screen. Yeah, that's nice. Looks beautiful. And here's the view finder, and yeah, it's a nice camera. Let's put it aside and see what we have. We have a small carryover, as you can see here. Just a tiny thing. I don't need to open it for you. We have the cable and we have battery. That's it. Yeah, that's it. So that's all. Oops, nope. Forgot it. We have the lens, guys. We have the lens. This lens comes with the Canon, and it's a very nice lens. It's 15 to 45 millimeter lens, which can be nice looking. I never tried it, so I just try to give you like a quick look at this lens, maybe the camera, shoot some examples or show you some examples, excuse me. And yeah, we're gonna see how it looks like. I'm very pumped up because I'm upgrading my my videos and upgrading my content, so I have to bring a really good camera. So this has been recommended by a lot of people, even YouTubers. So yeah, that's it, guys. I just got the Canon M50. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below, and see you guys later.